In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset Windows 11. Whether you're preparing your PC for a new owner or just want a fresh start, resetting is a great way to accomplish this. It can help solve persistent problems, clean up unnecessary clutter, or simply ensure your computer runs as smoothly as possible. So, let's get started. Firstly, to open settings, you simply press the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. This will instantly bring up the settings menu, which acts as the control center for all your system configurations and customizations. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the panel on the left side and select System. It's usually at the top of this column and stands out with the monitor icon next to it. From there, scroll down a bit until you find the Recovery option. Clicking on Recovery will bring you to a page with several pertinent options. On the Recovery page, look for a header labeled Recovery Options. Here, you'll find a button that says Reset PC. Clicking this button is where the magic happens. It initiates the process to restore your computer to its factory settings. Before you proceed, it's important to decide which reset option suits your needs best. You'll be presented with two primary choices. The first one is Keep My Files. This option removes apps and settings, but as the name suggests, retains your personal files. It's ideal if you want a clean system without losing photos, documents, and other personal data. The second choice is Remove Everything. This is the more thorough of the two, completely wiping all files, apps, and settings. Opt for this if you're giving your PC to someone else, or starting entirely from scratch and don't need to maintain any personal files. Once you've selected your desired choice, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can either select Cloud Download, which will download a fresh copy of Windows 11 from the internet. This option is particularly useful if you have a fast, reliable internet connection and want the latest version without any potential hiccups caused by local files. Alternatively, there's Local Reinstall. This option uses the files already stored on your PC to reinstall Windows. It can be quicker and you won't need an internet connection, making it convenient for those with limited access. You'll see a summary of your chosen settings to review everything one last time. Make sure you're satisfied with your selections and, when you're ready, click the Reset button. Your PC will then restart and begin the reset process. Keep in mind that this operation can take some time, so be patient as Windows does its work. By following these steps, you will successfully restore your Windows 11 operating system to its original factory settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.